All right, folks, I hear this recipe is actually very, very, very good and interesting. So we are gonna deep fry a hot dog. All right. Cook it like you normally would. So I just boil it off a little bit. Get the water out of it. I got my fry daddy going ready. And I think they're gonna cook really quick because that's hot. And then we're gonna try it. Folks, that should be quick. This is one of those meals that just spin about 30 seconds in there. So I'm using a all beef front with natural casing on it. Boiled it about normal way. Cook it in there and then throw it in the fry daddy. I feel my arteries clogging. That should be good. All right, folks, this been about a minute and a half. I think they're ready to get out. Yeah. Set them on a paper towel to relax. Unplug this. Get my buns ready. And they go right in there. Deep fried hot dogs. All right, we're gonna give this a taste. See how we did. Wow. Now, honestly, gotta tell you, I see what the fuss is all about. It's probably not something you want to eat every day. Why is it the good tasty stuff is really bad for you? That's awesome. Thank you for watching. Just Cook PC Deep Fried Hot Dog.